Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to fix iCloud settings grayed out. So if your iCloud settings are grayed out on your phone, on your iPhone, follow this simple step to fix it. So the first step is to check for restriction. So to check for restriction, you have to go to your settings, then click on screen time, then tap on content and privacy restriction, then if enabled, tap iTunes and app store purchases. Then make sure account change set to allow. Then the step 2, you have to check for profile or MDM restriction. So go to settings, click on general, then click on VPN and device management. Then if you see a profile or mobile device management MDM, it might be restricted. It might be restricting iCloud settings. So if possible, remove the profile. You may need admin credential for that. Then on the step 3, sign out and sign back into Apple ID. To do that, go to the settings, tap your Apple ID at the top, then scroll down and tap sign out, then restart your iPhone, then sign in back again. Then on step 4, check network connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Then try turning airplane mode on and off. After that, restart your iPhone again. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button or the volume up plus power on newer iPhone until you see slide to turn power off. Then turn it back on and check if iCloud settings are available. Then on the step 6, you can simply update your iOS just to fix some glitches. So to do that, go to the settings, click on general. From general, click on software update. Then if update is available, install it into your device. Then after that, reset all settings. So for you to be able to do this, you have to go to the settings, then click on general. From general, scroll the way down, then click on transfer or reset iPhone, then click on reset. Now from there, select reset all settings. Note that this won't erase all your data. So if these issues persist, you may need to contact the Apple support for further assistance. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more content like this. Thank you.